Firat look on the second delivery of two T129B ATAK helicopters for the Philippine Air Force as they were unloaded from the A400M transport aircraft of the Turkish Air Forcr in Clark Air Base in Pampanga. The DND acquired 6 T129B ATAK helicopters from Turkey through a G2G deal as part of the Attack Helicopter Phase 2 acquisition project under the Horizon 2 phase of RAFPMP. 2 helicopters were already delivered previously and are now operated by the PAF's 15th Strike Wing. Turkish Aerospace Industries continue to deliver T129 ATAK helicopters to the Philippine Air Force. Turkish Aerospace Industries, which exported its first ATAK helicopter to the Philippines, completed test processes at the company's facilities and sent 2 additional helicopters to the Philippines, according to information obtained by Anadolu Agency. The acceptance tests of the helicopters produced with Phase 2 infrastructure have been started by the Philippine Air Force. After completion of the tests, delivery is targeted to be completed December 3rd. Under the contract, Turkish Aerospace Industries, which will make 6 deliveries, sent the 3rd and 4th helicopters to the Philippines. Turkish Aerospace Industries will deliver the remaining 2 helicopters in 2024. Having delivered 73 helicopters to various security forces in Turkey, Turkish Aerospace Industries delivered the first 2 helicopters to the Philippine Air Force in recent months. The number increased to 75. When the delivery is completed in December, the number of helicopters delivered will be 77.